Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I will share how you can transform your normal windows into a liquid glass theme. Stick till the end and I'll show you how to do it step by step. Alright, before we start, download these files from the link given in the pinned comments. First, let's change our normal file explorer to liquid glass. For that, open this folder and run this. It should only take a few seconds. Now you can see our explorer has changed to liquid glass. Let's customize our taskbar. Go back to the files and install this software. Open it. Click on Explore. Find and install Taskbar Styler. After it's done, go to Settings. Select the theme as Window Glass. Click on Save. To further customize our taskbar, install Taskbar Height and Size mod. Go to Settings and change the size as shown in the video. Save the changes. Now I also want to change the background to something dark to make it more beautiful. Let's quickly change the background image. As you can see, it looks elegant. In case if you want to remove all of these, open the software again and remove all the mods that we installed. To make our explorer back to how it was, just go back to the files and run the uninstall. So that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to drop a like, share it around, and consider subscribing to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll catch you in the next one.